वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरं संदिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अहिउन् ऋलृक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् न्यामगणनं जभै घटधश् जबगढधश् खपछठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः ऋतुयशानां तालु ऋतुरशानां ऊर्ध्वा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामानानां नासिका च एतैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदोतोः कण्ठोष्टम्
उदौतोः कण्ठौष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
वकारस्य
दन्तौष्टम्
जक्ष्वामूलीयस्य जक्ष्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो सदा विजयते रामं
विजयते
रमेशं
रामं
भजे
रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता
रामेणाभिहता
निशाचरचमूः
निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै
रामाय तस्मै
नमः
नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानास्ति
रामानास्तिपरायणं
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलया सदा भवतु मे
राममामुद्धर
श्रीराम शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीराम
श्रीराम
शरणं
शरणं
समस्तजगतां
समस्तजगतां
रामं
रामं विना का
विना
गति
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण
रामेण
प्रतिहन्यते
प्रतिहन्यते
कलिमलं
कलिमलं
रामाय
रामाय
कार्यं
कार्यं
नमः
नमः
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामस्य सर्ववशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
Chant properly, all of you. Chant loudly, clearly. Uni, chant properly. Ramo me bihitam karotu satatam Ramam bhaje sadharam.
रामो
रामो
मे
मे
हितं
हितं करोतु सततं
रामं भजे
रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेण
समस्तदुरितं रामाय
रामाय
दत्तं
दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया ओ राम मां पालय
राम मां पालय
सुऔजस्
औजस्
औक्षस्
औषस्
ताभ्यां विस्
ताभ्यां
ताभ्यां
नेभ्यां व्यस्
नेभ्यां व्यस्
नसीभ्यां व्यस्
नसीभ्यां
नसीभ्यां
नस् ओस् आम्
नस ओस आम
नि ओस् सुप्
नी ओस तो
सु औजस्
तू
तो
औजस
औजस्
औषस्
औजस
औजस्
sorry Tiptaschi
तिप्तस्थि
Sipthastha
सिप्तस्थ
सिप्तस्थ
Mipvasmas
मिप्वस्मस्
वस्मस्
Ta atamjha
त आता
आतांच
Thas atam dhvam
हास आथा
तास आथां त्वं
Yit vahi maging.
इट वही महिम
धीमहि
These are the original thing pratyas from which the pratyas corresponding to latlakaras are derived. How it is derived, that is not our interest now, but you need to memorize all the pratyas. Titaha anti,
तीतः
तीर्थः अन्धि
sitaha tha,
सीथः थ
तीर्थः थ
mi vaha maha,
मी
मी
वः
वः
मः
मः
te ite ante,
ते
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 इथे
अन्ते
अन्ते
se ite dve,
ते
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 इथे द्वे
ye vahe mahe,
ए
ये
हे
वहे महे
bhavati bhavataha bhavanti,
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवतः,
भवसि
भवसि
भवतः
भवतः
भवत
भवतः
भवामि भवावः भवामः,
भवामि
भवामि
भवावः
भवावः
भवामः
भवामः
लभते लभेते लभन्ते,
लभते
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
लभसे लभेते लभद्वे,
लभसे
लभसे
लभेते
लभेते
लभद्वे
लभद्वे
लभे लभामहे लभामहे,
लभे
लभे
लभामहे
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 करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति,
करोति
करोति
कुरुतः
कुरुतः
कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ,
करोषि
करोषि
कुरुतः
कुरुतः कुरुथ
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः,
करोमि
करोमि
कुर्वः कुर्मः
कुर्मः कुर्मः
तकाराथाम् अन्
सकाराताम्
सकारार्थम्
सकारातं त
सकारार्थं
सकारार्थं थ
अम्बम
अम्ब
त इताम् अन्त
त इताम्
इथ
अन्त
अन्ध
थाः इथाम् ध्वम्
थाः
इथां त्वम्
इ वहि महि
इ बहि महि
वहि
अभवत् अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवत्
अभवत्
अभवताम्
अभवताम्
अभवन्
अभवन्
अभवः अभवतम् अभवत
अभवः
अभवतम्
अभवतम् अभवत
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अभवम्
अभवाव
अभवाव अभवाम
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभत
अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभन्त
अलभथाः अलभेताम् अलभध्वम्
अलभथाः
अलभथाः
अलभेताम्
अलभेथाम्
अलभध्वम्
अलभध्वम्
अलभे अलभावहे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अलभे
अलभत् alabhe,
alabha,
mahi,
akarota kurutam akurvan,
akarot, akurutam, akurvan,
kurvan,
akaroho akurutam akurta,
akarot,
akaroho,
akurutam,
akurutam,
akurutta,
akuruta,
akaravam akurva akurva,
akaravam,
akaravam,
akurva,
akurva,
akurma,
akurma,
akuruta akurvata akurvata,
akurutta,
akuruta,
akurvata,
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 akurutaha akurvatam akurudvam,
akurutaha,
akurutaha,
akurvata,
akurvata,
akurudvam,
akurudvam,
akurvi akurvahi akurmahi,
akurvi,
akurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi,
asti staha santi,
asti,
asti staha santi,
santi,
asi staha stha,
asi,
asi staha stha,
asmi swaha smaha,
asmi, swaha,
asmi swaha smaha,
asit astam asan,
asit,
asi,
astam, asan,
asam, asam,
asihi astam astam,
asihi,
asi,
astam,
asam,
asata,
asta,
asam asva asma,
asam,
asam,
asva,
asva,
asma,
asma.
complete the lang lakara rupam up to drish dhatu we have seen. Drish dhatu lang lakara rupam apashyat apashyatam apashyan apashyah apashyatam apashyata apashyam apashyava apashyama. Now dhru dhatu, dhru, to go, parasmay dhatu. What would be its lang rupam?
adrut,
Huh?
Agacha.
Agacha.
Agachat.
Why agacha?
drut,
Dhatu is dhru.
To go. Oh, sorry. Gachat.
drut,
From where ga comes? Gacha comes.
Adrut. Adrut.
Adravat.
To go.
Adravat. Adravatam. Then
adravan,
Adravan.
Then
Adraha.
Adravaha.
Adravaha.
Adravatam.
Adratam. Adrata.
Adravata.
Adravat.
Adravam. Then Adra.
Adra. Adravava.
Adravava. Adravama.
Adravama.
Okay. We are going to see later how it is derived. Derivation part we will see. It got some sandhi also. This is just a being familiar with the general lung form. I'll give the one form, other form you can say. That is a practice we are doing. The next one, de, pane, to drink. Okay, pa also pane. This is de dhatu, de, pane, to drink. It's lung rupam. Pratham Purusha Ekavacharam I will write. Other forms you will tell. Adayat. A is atagama, akara is there, and takara is a pratyaya. Takara tam and what we chanted now. Sakara tam ta ambaba. So if it is adayat, then Prathama Purusha Dvivachana must be
adhayatam,
Yatam.
Adayatam,
Adhayan.
Adhayan.
Adayan. Then,
Adhayan.
Adhaya.
Adhayah.
then,
Adhayatam.
Adhyatam.
Adhayata. Adhayam.
Adhayam.
Adhayava.
Adhayava. Adhayama.
Adayava, then Adayama.
Adhayama.
Next dhatu, Jai. Jai means to meditate. Dhyanam comes from this dhatu only. Jai dhatu. Jai, Chintayam. To think, to meditate. Its lang rupam is, okay, let me write the meaning. To meditate. Adhyayat. Dhyayati, dhyayataha, dhyayanti. Okay, another thing also. See, all these dhatus. Latlakara rupam also you can say from this. Say, for example, apashyat you take. I remove it for latlakara. I will not be there, right? Pashya is there. I is not there for latlakara. Langlakara only the A comes. You know, I taught you, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So Pashya. Then replace this pratyaya by Ti. Pashyati. Pashyataha. Pashyanti. Pashyasi. Pashyataha. Pashyata. Pashyami. Pashyavaha. Pashyamaha. Right? Similarly here. Ab you remove it. Takara pratyaya remove it. So Dava. Davati. Davataha. Davanti. Davasi. Davataha. Davata. Davami. Davavaha. Davama. That is Takara. Present. Similarly, Yacha. That is it. That is the basic form. Then add the pratyaya. Yachati. Yachataha.
Yachanti.
Yachasi. All like that. Similarly, Dala. Dalati dalataha. Dalanti. Dashati dashata. Dashanti. Dagati dagataha. Daganti. Understand? Here, Dravati dravataha. Dravanti. And here will be Dayati dayataha. Dayanti. Then Dhya will be
Yayati.
Dhyayati. Dhyayati.
Dhyayataha.
Dhyayataha. Dhyayanti. Dhyayasi. Dhyayataha.
Yayatha.
Dhyayata. Dhyayami. Dhyayavaha. Dhyayamaha. Right?
Yes.
Dhyayami. Dhyayavaha. Dhyayamaha. Okay. Now, Langlakara would be Adhyayat. Then
Adhyayata.
Tam.
Adhyayata. Then
Adhyayan.
Adhyayan.
Dhyayan.
Adhyayaha.
Yaha.
Don't confuse this. Adhyayaha means not chapter. Pratamodhyayaha. Right?
Yes.
Adhyayaha. That is not Lakara. That is not a Kriya Pada. That is a noun form. Adhyayaha. Akarantaha. Pullingaha. Adhyayaha. Right? Adhyayaha. Adhyayo. Adhyayaha. You can decline like Rama Shabda. Here it is Lang Lakara, meaning completely different.
Different.
Adhyayaha means what?
You read. Past tense.
You meditated. Right?
You
Thought.
meditated. Sorry.
Adhyayaha, you meditated. Tom Adhya, Tom is understood. Pratamodhyayaha means what? First chapter. There it is, first chapter. In fact, the form looks same, but it is completely different. Here it is Jai Dhatu, right?
Yes.
Jai. Whereas Adhyayaha as chapter, it is derived from the Dhatu, in Dhatu. There's a Dhatu in, Atmanipadi Dhatu, in, Adhyayane. This Dhatu always will come with the content is E only. This Dhatu always come with the Upasarga, Adi. Okay. Then some pratyaya is added. Adhyayaha, some pratyaya, some krut pratyaya. Don't worry about that. Some pratyaya is added. Right?
Yes.
Now, what happens because of the pratyaya? Because of the pratyaya, here Adi plus E, what will happen?
Savarna. Adi.
But because of the pratyaya, that E will be replaced by something. will be replaced by, okay, we'll see all those things later. A plus A. A will be replaced by I, not A. Then it will be replaced by I. I plus A becomes Aya. Then Adi plus Yaya, E plus A will become
Yaka. Adhyaya.
Ad.
Yes.
So Ad, Yakara, Adhyaya. That's how you get Adhyaya. This is different. This is Dhatu is completely different. Dhatu is in Dhatu, Adhyayana, which always comes with the Usarga prefix Adi. Here it is Adhyaya is Tvam, Yuri, you meditated. Okay, completely different. Okay, next one.
Adhyayatam.
Adhyayatam.
Adhyayam.
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 Adhyayava. Adhyayama.
Adhyayama. Next one, Dhadatu. Dhama is to blow.
To blow.
Dhama is to blow, which comes in the first chapter of the Gita. Shankan Dadmau Dhamati, blew the conch. Pratak Sagosho Dattarashtranam Radayani Vidaragatu. So that in Gita comes first chapter. That is comes in remote past. Litlakara it is. Dadmau, Dadmatuhu, Dagmuhu. It is. Dma means to blow. Okay. Latlakara, okay. Latlakara Rupam I will say. Lang Lakara form you say. Latlakara is Damati, Dhamataha, Damanti. Dhamasi, Dhamataha, Dhamata. Okay. Now here it will become
Dhamat.
Adhamata.
Adamat.
Adhamat.
Then
Adhamatam.
Adhamatam.
Adhamaha.
Adamaha means don't think it is inferior. No. Tom Adamaha, you blew. Okay. Kriya Padam is. Adamatam,
Adhamata.
Adamata. Then
Adhamam. Adhama. Adhamava. Adhamama.
Adama.
next to Dhatu. Dwan. Dwani, the word Dwani, you know, the Dwan, that is Dwani, sound. The sound, that is the meaning. The sound that comes from the Dhatu. Dwan Dhatu. Okay. Dwan Dhatu, I'll say Latlakara. Dwanati, Dwanataha, Dwananti. Therefore, it will be
Adhvanat.
Adhanatam. Adhanat.
Advanat, Advanatam,
Adhvanan.
Advanan, then
Adhvanaha.
Advanaha.
Adhvanatam. Adhvanata.
Advanata.
Adhvanam.
Adhvam.
Adhvanava. Adhvanava.
Adhanava. Adhanama.
this is all for your practice, lot of practice. This nut. What is nut?
To act.
Nataha, nati,
Act. Nati.
to dance.
Dance.
Nrittau, to dance. To act. I'll make to act. To act, then to dance, I'll say Latlakara, it will be Natati, Natataha, Natanti. Then Lang would be
Anatat.
Anatata.
Anatatam.
Anatan. Ataha. Anataha. Anatatam. Anatan.
Anatata,
Anatata.
Anatava.
Anatam.
Anatama.
Tava. Anatama.
Anatam, Anatava, Anatama. This much familiarity should come. Okay. Been doing such a long time, so you should know now by this time how to do it. Nand. Nandati, Nandati, Nandatyeva. Nandati.
Happy.
Nandadhatu. Nandadhatu means to be happy, to prosper. That is its meaning. Prosper. So Nandati, Nandataha, Nandati. Therefore here it will be
Anandat.
Anandata.
Anandata.
Anandatam.
Anandan. Anandaha.
Anandaha.
Anandatam.
Anandatam.
Anandata.
Anandata. Anandam.
Anandava.
Anandava.
Anandama.
Anandama.
Nam. What is the meaning of nam?
To bow.
To salute. Nam.
Salute.
Namati namataha.
Namati.
Namanti.
Hmm.
Therefore,
Anamat. Anamata.
anamat.
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 Anamata.
Anamata.
Anantam.
Anamat.
Anamat.
Anamaha.
Anamaha.
Anamatam.
Anamatam.
Anamata.
Anamata.
Anam.
Anamam.
Anamava. Anamama.
Anama.
Anamava. Anamama. Nard. What is nard? Nard is to make sound, to shout, or we can say to shout. The form is latlakara nardati. Nardati, nardataha, nardanti. Therefore, here it will be
Anardata.
Anardatam.
anardat.
Anardan.
Okay. Anardatam.
Anardan.
Then
Anardaha. Anardatam.
Anardatam. Anardata.
Anardam. Anardava. Anardama.
Anardama.
nind. Nind. What is the meaning of nind?
To criticize.
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 Nindati.
Nindati, nindataha, nindanti. Therefore,
Anindat.
Anindata.
Anindatam.
Anindatam. Anindan. Anindaha.
Anindatam.
Anindatam.
Anindata.
Anindam.
Anindam. Anindava.
Anindava.
Anindama.
Anindama.
so here all the dhatus you can take, you can do it for latlakara also.
Yes.
Though you have done, see, a lot of dhatus, right?
Yes.
So how many is tough dhatus? Let's see.
Mm.
So many dhatus. All the dhatus, latlakara, you can easily know from the lung form. Or if you know latlakara, you can know the lung form. That basic form you need to know. Remember the pratyaya, what is the basic form? That alone you take it. Jwal, tapa, taksha, thara, tyaja. Understand?
Yes.
That basic form you take, add a pratyaya. If any sandhi karyam is possible, do it. Get a form. Okay. Pat dhatu, which we know, pat means to
To read.
read.
Apatat.
So
Apatat.
we know it
Apatatam.
is patati. Pata is the basic form.
Yes.
So patati, patataha patanti. So therefore here it will become apatata.
Apatat.
Apatat.
Apatatam.
Apatatam. Apatan.
Apataha.
Apataha.
Apatatam.
Apatata.
Apatata.
Apatam. Apatava.
Apatava. Apatama.
Apatama.
Similarly, pat means to
Fall.
fall. We know it is patati. Right?
Patati.
Therefore
Apatat.
becomes apatat.
Apatat. Apatatam. Apatan.
Apataha.
Apataha.
Apatatam.
Apatata.
Apatata.
Apata.
Apatava.
Apatava.
Apatama.
Apatama.
Pa means
To
to
drink.
drink. From that we get the
Pibati.
form
Pati.
pibati. Therefore it will be
Apibat.
Apibat. Apibatam. Apidam.
apibanna,
Apidaha. Apibanna.
apibaha,
Apibaha.
Apibatam.
Apibatam.
Apibata.
Apibata.
Apibam.
Apibam.
Apibava.
Apibava. Apibama.
phal. Phal is to fructify.
Hmm.
Palati. Palataha, palanti. Therefore it would be
Aphalat.
Afalat.
Phalatam.
Afalatam. Afalan. Afalaha.
Phalaha.
Afalatam.
Aphalata.
Afalata. Afalam.
Aphalava.
Afalawa.
Aphalama.
Afalama.
full. Fullati.
Hmm.
Comes in shloka, fullati.
Hmm.
Vikasane, to
Blossom.
blossom.
Vikasat.
Pullati.
Vikasat.
So pullati, pullataha, pullanti. Therefore it will be
Apullat.
Apullat.
Apullatam.
Afulatam. Afulatim. Afulaha.
Apullatam.
Afulatam.
Apullata.
Afulata.
Apullam.
Afulam.
Apullava.
Afulawa.
Apullama.
Afulama.
Book dhatu. Book means bar.
Dubar. Dubar.
Bukkati,
Bukkati.
bukkataha, bukkanti.
Abukka,
Abukata.
abukatam,
Abukatam.
abukan,
Abukan.
abukaha,
Abukaha.
abukatam,
Abukata.
abukata,
Abukam.
abukam, abukava,
Abukawa.
abukama,
Abukama.
Buddha. Buddha means
to learn.
to learn, to know, right?
Hmm.
This will become
Bodhati.
bodhati. So you know the lung form, bodhati. So lung form. Therefore, lung form would be
Abodhat,
Abodhata.
abodhat.
Abodhatam.
abodhatam, abodhat,
Abodhan. Abodhaha. Abodhat. Abodhatam. Abodham. Abodhat. Abodhat.
abodham, abodhava, abodhama,
Abodhama.
Ban. What is that? Ban dhatu. Ban. Ban is banati. Ban is it's also to sound. To make sound. Ban. Form is banati.
abhanat,
Abanata.
Abhanat.
abhanatam,
Abhanatam.
abhanan,
Abhanan.
abhanaha,
Abhanaha.
abhanatam,
Abhanatam.
abhanata,
Abhanata.
abhanam,
Abhanam.
abhanava,
Abhanava.
abhanama,
Abhanama.
Brahm. Brahm is
to roam,
to roam around.
Surom. Brahmati.
Brahmati. Therefore,
abhramat,
Abhramat. Abhramatam.
abhraman,
Abhramaha.
abhramaha,
Abhramatam.
abhramatam,
Abhramatta. Abhraman.
abhramam, abhramava,
Abhramava.
abhramama,
Abhramama.
Abramava, Abramama. Oh, it's a long list. Meal dhatu. Meal is
to meet,
Meal. I don't know.
meal. Meal is to meet. So here,
Meal.
meal is to meet. Here, meal. Unmeelanam, we say, right? To blink. To
blink,
blink. Unmeelanam.
Wink. Okay. To wink.
Nimilanam. Nimilanadi samaye. That comes in Ekashloki. Unmeelanam. Right? What is Unmeelanam? Unmeelanam. Opening the eyes, Unmeelanam. I think in Ekashloki only comes. What is that? Ekashloki. Takana Grantha, which has got only one shloka. Kim Jyotistava Bhanumana Hanime Ratrau Pradiparikam Syadevam Ravidi Padarshana Vido Kim Jyotirakya Kime Chakshustasya Nimilanadi Samaye. That Nimilanam. Kim Jidyo Darshane Kim Tatrahamato Bhavan Paramakam Jyotistadasmi Prabho. The meal is to blink. So the form would be Meelati, Meelataha, Meelanti. Latrupam is Meelati, Meelataha, Meelanti. So lung would be Meela, Ameelata.
amilatam,
Amilatam.
Amilan.
Amilan.
amilaha,
Amilaha. Amilatam. Amilata.
amilam,
Amilam.
amilava,
Amilava.
amilama.
Amilama.
Amilava, Amilam. I think we will stop in this. Do it first class. Now, this a quick review of Sandhi and some new rule will come, you will see. You know what Savanadirgha Sandhi, right?
Yes.
I'm not going to do it because we have done a lot of exercises before. Savanadirgha Sandhi, Yan Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, Ayadi Sandhi, Pururupa Sandhi, right?
Yes.
Then Padanta Sakara will be replaced by
Repa.
Refa.
Room, right? Who is
Yes.
nothing but Repa.
Yes.
And Repa will become Visarga when?
When followed by khar letter.
Sadle.
or at the end, avasana.
At the end.
And when followed by ka, kha or pa, pa, what will happen?
Ardha Visarga.
Ardha Visarga. It's called Jikhamulya when followed by ka or Upadmaniya when followed by
Or Pa.
all these things we know. When followed by shar, what will happen to the,
Hmm.
the Visarga?
So Shatvam will happen.
No. When followed by shar
It will
letter,
be replaced by Sakara. Yeah.
yeah. When
That's
followed by, that's what he said here. When it is when followed by, see, once Visarga comes, that Visarga will be replaced by, Visarga followed by Kar will be replaced by Sakara.
Yes.
When followed by Shar, it will be replaced by Sakara optionally.
Yes.
You've seen, right?
Yes. Yes.
Visarga is born out of Ru, that is Repa. That Repa will, right?
Yes.
With the, out of Repa, Visarga comes. The Visarga will be replaced by Sakara when followed by Kar letter. Yes?
Yes.
And among the Kar letter, when followed by Kha, Kha, or Pa, Pa, the Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visarga,
Ardha Visarga.
which is called Jikhamulya Upadmaniya, right? We saw.
Yes.
Now, when followed by Shar, what will happen? When
Will be
followed by Shar,
optionally replaced by Sakara.
optionally replaced by Sakara. Now, Ramaha plus Shete, the Visarga can be Visarga as it is, or Visarga can be replaced by Sakara. Ramas. But Ramas Shete, we should not stop there. You have to complete it, right? Now, Sakara in contact with the Shakara, what will happen then?
Yes. Shtutvam.
Shtutvam. Sakara will be replaced by
Shakara.
Therefore, Ramashite, you get, right? You have
Yes.
to continue Sandhi. You know the Krama, I taught you the rules, the
Yes.
sequence. You remember the sequence?
Yes, Guruji.
The sequence of Sandhis, you have to follow the steps. If you remember all these things I taught you,
Yes.
starting from Uttam, remember?
Yes. From
Uttam, yes, very good. Justam,
One.
Uttam, Visarga, all these things we saw. I hope you remember all these Sandhi.
Yes.
Yes.
Now here you can see the sequence. First is Kuttam if it's applicable, then Dattam, Jastam, Ruttam, Visargadeshaha, Kattam, Nattam, Jastam, Shuttam, Shuttam, all these things, right?
Yes.
Yes, same.
Yes.
Okay, can remember that. So here Shuttam happens, right? Ramashit. That comes later. In the sequence, the rules comes later. Okay. When followed with Pakara, which we saw just now, it will be replaced by Ardha Visarga. Okay, fine. Then this we saw room. When followed, when preceded by followed by what will happen?
He replaced by U.
It's called Utta Sandhi. This also we saw, right?
Yes, Guruji.
When preceded by U, followed by U, then followed by Akara. Then preceded by Akara, followed by Akara, then Ru will be replaced by U. And after that, A plus U will take Guna. Guna will happen, right? Example, Ataha plus Ataha. Yes, in this also examples.
Yes.
Please see in this file which you have. In this, we have seen all these examples. At the end, it is given. You remember here, we have seen Saha plus Agachat, all those things I taught you.
Yes.
Here you can Ramaha plus Agachat, Ramo Gachat, Visarga. That is, the Ru is the Ru only becomes Visarga, right?
Yeah.
Ru will become Visarga. Ru is nothing but Repa. Repa will become Visarga when it is followed by Kar letter.
Mm.
Here Ramaha plus Agachyata when we say Ramaha Visarga, here Ru becomes Visarga when followed by Kar or Adyavasana. So since we are going to do Sandhi, the following letter is not a Kar letter, therefore you have to understand that Visarga is nothing but a Ru, right?
Mm.
So Ru is preceded by Ya, followed by Ya. Therefore the Ru, it will be replaced by U.
U.
Then A plus U, Guna will happen. After that, Pura Rupa Sandhi.
Yes.
You remember?
Yes.
Okay. So that is Sandhi, Uttar Sandhi. You have to recall all the Uttar Sandhi, whichever class. If you don't remember, please go and see again.
134, lecture 134.
Very good. You understand, right, Parvati?
Yes, yes. I have written
Ru, Ru when preceded by, Ru when preceded by, followed by Ash letters. What do you mean by Ash letters?
Soft con.
Exactly, soft consonants.
Okay.
So what will happen followed by Ash?
Then again it will be replaced by U.
U and Guna will happen.
And Guna will happen. Example, one more example I have given here. Ataha plus Ataha, Atotaha. Ataha plus Gataha, Atogataha. You understand the one example, you understand the Sandhi, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then Ru is preceded by followed by what? Followed by vowel other than a.
Mm. Yakara will.
You remember this? Here all these things I did here. If you remember this,
Yes.
there is Ru preceded by followed by a.
Mm.
Ru preceded by a followed by hash.
Mm.
These two cases Uttar Sandhi will happen. It's called Uttam. Ru preceded by a followed by a other than akara. Any vowel comes.
Mm.
But here I have given a. Let us see. Ru preceded by a followed by a. Ru preceded by a followed by a. Then what will happen?
Yakara.
Yakara. Not only a. It can follow by any vowel. Okay. That's what I have given here. Ru preceded by a followed by e.
E. Is also
Ru preceded by a followed by e.
Yes.
It means Ru
Mm.
when preceded by a or a followed by any vowel except a. Except short vowel. Minus a. Understand?
Mm.
Minus a. Then what will happen? It will be replaced by, Ru will be replaced by Yakara. Okay. Follow?
Yes. Guruji, A, Ru preceded by A and followed by A.
Hmm.
In that also we'll get Yakara, no?
Say it again.
Ru preceded by A
Hmm.
and followed by A. Short Rasva A.
Then what will happen? Uttva? When will you apply Uttva?
No, preceded by A, Guruji. Ru
Preceded by a, followed by
A. Rasva A.
That's what here. Ru preceded by a, followed by a. U.
No, preceded by long A.
Yeah.
Huh.
Followed, yes. Followed by.
A.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Here you're saying yes, you're right. Yeah. Here, yes, correct. Preceded by a, followed by. Here I written. Preceded by a, followed by a or a, whatever it is. Yes.
It is Yakara.
Yakara on. Yes. So what precedes is important. If preceded by short vowel a, then you have to watch for the following letter.
Yes.
The following letter is Rasvakara or Hash, then it will be replaced by U. Other than any other letter, it will be replaced by Yakara. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. This point is correct. Yes. For your understanding, I wrote the split this into two. And the next one is Ru preceded by, Ru preceded by A followed by Ash. If it is short vowel A, then Ru will be replaced by U.
U.
Here it is A.
Mm.
Okay, yakara. Then yakarasya, yakara, if it is at the end of the padam,
Hmm.
you know what will happen?
To be dropped.
It will be dropped
Hmm.
optionally.
Hmm.
Optionally when followed by vowel.
Yes.
Mandatorily when followed by a concept.
Yes.
It's a rule. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you see. You understand this. Number 14. Visarga, that is room.
Preceded by
See,
a.
Visarga, we say, Visarga means you have to understand.
Hmm.
In all the books, they will say Visarga, Visarga, but it is not true. Really, it's not Visarga. It is room only, according to the sutra. But they will not say room and all for the beginners. Okay. They will say Visarga. That's why in books you will see Visarga will be replaced by who. Visarga will be replaced by who. No, sorry. Who. Visarga will be replaced by Yakara. You will see like that in the books. Actually, it is not Visarga, it is room. Okay.
Hmm.
Because Visarga itself comes only at the Avasana followed by Kar letter.
Hmm.
No, when you are doing Sandhi, there is no Avasana. There is Avasana, there is stop. Sandhi happens when there is no stoppage, right?
Hmm.
When you join. When you join means that the matra is, that half a matra, whatever it is there, that also is gone. So there is no Avasana.
Hmm.
And followed by not a Kar letter, right?
Hmm.
In that case, what will happen? Then how can there be Visarga? So
Hmm.
it is Ru only. Because
Hmm.
Padanta Sakara alone has become Ru, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So it is Ru only. The Ru alone undergoes changes. Nothing wrong in saying that it's Visarga. Okay. So both are okay. We
Hmm.
need to understand. When we say Visarga, it means Ru.
Hmm.
Because we know. Because that's how I taught you from the beginning.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So Ru when preceded by or followed by vowel
Ach.
other than then it will be replaced by Yakara and Yakara silopaha bhavati vikalpena. Okay.
Yes.
14a and b. B is Yakara lopa happens. When followed by vowel, Yakara lopa happens optionally. Important, huh?
Yes.
When followed by consonant, Yakara lopa must happen. Now, 14, whatever I taught you before that, the word file, the same thing in this table also. Now, room preceded by long vowel are followed by ash. Ash means soft consonants. Sorry, yeah, soft consonants plus the vowels, right?
Hmm.
Any vowel and any soft consonant. Then also Ru will be replaced by Yakara. Yakara silopaha bhavati vikalpena. Yakara silopaha bhavati vikalpena. But Yakara when followed by Ash will become lopaha vikalpena. But when followed by Ash, mandatorily. Okay. The example you see. Balakaha. I will add one more example. Balakaha agachanti. Suppose Balakaha gachanti.
Hmm.
Balakai gachanti, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yes. Understood.
Here the first one Balaka Yakara will become lopaha. But here Yakara is
Mandatorily.
mandatory, becomes lopaha. Therefore, it will become balakaha gachanti. It becomes balaka gachanti. Here it is lopaha. Yakara will drop and sandhi will not happen. This is optional. Okay, though I have not written, you have to understand. Okay, I have not written here, but we need to understand. That is what I have not written. When followed by vowel, Yakara lopa will happen optionally that I have not written. You need to note that.
Followed by one.
When followed by consonant, it must happen. Okay. And after that, if you do try to do sandhi, then Yakara
Hmm. Come
will pop up and say, I am there, you cannot do sandhi. So Balaka plus Agachanti, don't do sandhi.
on.
Yes.
Because
No.
Yakara, the disappearance, what we say, the disappearance means it is not seen, it is not pronounced. Not that it is not there. Okay. So that's why you cannot do sandhi. When you speak, Balaka gachanti, Balaka agachanti. When you speak, you say like that. Balaka gachanti, you say. Or you see also. Darshanam as well as Shravanam. But when you try to do sandhi, then it will copper. I'm there, you cannot do it. Okay. Then, here I have written it. Please see. Yatharadesha, as which has come in the place of ru by the above rule, will drop mandatorily. Okay.
Yeah.
When
I have
followed
written
by
also. See, I have written. You can note down. Then the next one also I taught you. What is that? Eshaha and Saha.
Saha is dropped.
Esha and
Eshaha. What is Esaha? Eshaha.
Tad Shabda and Etat Shabda.
Ah.
Pullinga,
When
Prathama.
Tat Shabda. Yeah, exactly. When Tat Shabda will become Saha, only for Pullinga, Pratama Bhakti Ekavacham, right? Similarly, Eshaha. Saha is there only in Pullinga. Eshaha is also there only in Pullinga. Etat Shabda. That Visarga is there in Eshaha and Saha. What is the Visarga? Visarga has come in the place of Eshaha, Saha. Ru, right?
Ru.
And Ru has come in the place of
Sakara.
Sakara. What Sakara? Su, Aujas,
Yes.
Aujas. Su is a Pratya, right?
Yeah.
Su means the content is Sakara only, right? We know.
Yes.
Yes.
In the place of Sakara only Ru has come.
Yes.
So therefore, Saha when we say it is Saru.
Yes.
Yeshaha when we say it is Yesharu, right?
Sharu. Yes.
But here what happens? Even before it becoming Zuru, that Su itself, the Pratyaya is there, right? Su. Yesha, that is Etad Shabda. Etad plus Su. Etad will become by some other rule, Etad will become Yesha. Yesha Su. Yesha plus Su. Su is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya Su. Yeshas. That Su, Sakara will drop. When followed by a consonant. Similarly, Tat Shabda. Tad. Okay, I will write here for your understanding. You see. This Saha, how Saha comes, Saha is a form of what? Tat Shabda.
Shabda.
So Saha is nothing but Tad plus Su. That alone becomes Sasu. I'm just writing Sasu. Su means the Su is itelet. Okay. Similarly, Etad also. It is Etad. Takarantaha pullingaha etad shabdaha etad plus Su.
Ishasu.
Su is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya. Understand? So let me write. It is 1-1. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya. That's 1-1. Where Sakara is, who is itellator. Sakara is the content, right? That Sakara, that is a Su, right? That will drop. When followed by consonant. So therefore, it is that Sakara will not become Ru. Okay. Before it becoming Ru itself, the Pratyaya itself will drop. When followed by a consonant. Understand? In a Sandhi context. When you do Sandhi, it will drop. Okay. So when you do Sandhi, it will drop. Just a minute. Not able to do it. Why? Okay. Some problem here. I am not able to do it. Here I have written, you can see.
Saha gacchati.
So it is tad plus su is sasu. So etad plus su is etasu. Okay. I'm not writing it as etad becomes yeshaha. Of course, it becomes yeshaha later. But in this sandhi it tells you that when followed by a consonant in a sandhi context, sandhi situation, that sasum, that su itself will drop. Similarly, etad plus sum, that etad so that sum will drop and followed by a consonant. Therefore, you will have
Isha gach.
don't say eta, okay? No, it is esha because the Tamabhakti ekavachanam of etat shabda is it. Okay, let me write here. This I have to write esha. Esha su. Eta plus su is esha sum. Esha gacchati, sagacchati. This is important. Okay. When followed by consonant, what will happen when followed by verbal for this saha and eshaha? There, what will happen? Here you can see saha when preceded by ha, followed by ha, we know uttam. Uttam will happen.
Oh.
Because followed by a consonant. It's a vowel, sorry.
Vowel.
Only when followed by a consonant, it will drop. Here followed by
Vowel.
Vowel.
therefore saha plus agachat, saha plus aham soham, visarga, that ru is replaced by u, then guna and pararupasamdi. Similarly, saha plus agachat, here what will happen? Ru
Yakara.
preceded by ha, followed by yakara will come, yakara
Yes.
slopaha, vikalpena bhavati. Similarly, here also, saha plus ijjati, yakara will come, yakara will become lopaha vikalpena. Whereas here, saha plus gacchati, sa gacchati, saha plus dhavati, sa dhavati, that soon will drop.
Yeah.
We don't say room will drop, we say su will drop. The pratyaya su itself will drop. That is what this rule says. Understand? Whereas what about saha patati? Here also same thing. You should not say saf patati. No, visarga, what will happen when followed by kar letter? Here kar letter follows. When followed by kar letter, visarga is born and visarga will be replaced by sakara. That's what we saw.
Yes.
Right? And if it is a pa or pa, then we saw it will be replaced by other visarga. That will not happen for saha and eshaha. We have to apply this rule. This will just drop the soon. Therefore, it is not visarga really. It is soon. Not even room. It is soon. So before becoming visarga, it was room. And before becoming room, it was su. Right? So that su itself will drop. That's a rule. Okay.
Yes.
Even though saha patati, when we that will be given in the book as a part of the abhyasa exercise. But we
Yes.
need to understand Saha plus who is, it is Sarum plus Patati. Then all these are backward, reverse direction. Yeah, we have to think. The Ru would have come in the place of Sumu. That Sumu, what will happen? That alone will drop. Understand?
Yes.
So that will become Sapatati. Actually, Sandhi is here. Saha Patati is, I will put everything this in the bracket. This we have to calculate in our mind, this process.
Mm.
It is not, here we have this, we have to think. That is, it is actually Tat Shabda plus so, Tad is replaced by by some other rule that we are not interested. And Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya is so Tat plus so becomes Saso. That will be, what will happen? That will be replaced by, that will be replaced by Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru. That's what we know, right?
Mm.
And Ru is at the end of the Padam, therefore that will become Visarga. That is what Visarga is here. Now, when we do Sandhi here, Saha plus Patati, then what will happen? I'll remove here Patati. Just. Now, when we do Sandhi, when followed by a word beginning with a consonant, then now we need to apply this rule that Su will drop. Understand? Sapatati. Similarly, here also, Saha plus Kadati, even though followed by Kha, the Khar letter, but Saha is nothing but it was Sa plus Su, and Sa plus become a Sa plus Ru, and Ru alone become Visarga, therefore Saha, and that's Visarga now, and followed by Khar letter. It is that Su, which is the cause for coming, no, the formation of Visarga, that Su will drop.
Yes.
Sakhadati. Please note. Therefore, this is an apavada to, exception to that Upadmanya and Jigomalia. Okay. In that sense, it is, you can say it is an exception. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, having said this, if any other letter follows anything, then what will happen? Like here, Visarga will be replaced by Repa when preceded by any vowel. Any vowel means what? Any vowel other than what has been discussed above. Akara, Rakara. Or followed by any vowel or ash. If it is followed by Kar, what will happen? Visarga will come. Already we have seen that. That is why not covered. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
When followed by Kar letter, you don't need to bother about what precedes. Right? Because when Kar letter follows, what will happen to Ru Repa? Becomes Visarga.
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 Therefore, you don't need to bother about the preceding letter. Only when followed by other than Kar letter. What are the other than Kar letter? Vowels and soft consonants. Soft consonants. And that also we have seen. When followed by vowels or soft consonants and preceded by a or a, what will happen? Already we have seen. Uttva-adesha, yakara-adesha.
Yeah.
Right? Now, when preceded by other than akara or akara, or followed by any vowel, ach or soft consonants, then what will happen? Nothing will happen. You have to mentally do mentally you have to do the reverse, you have to go one step back mentally. Arihi plus gachati. What caused Visarga to come here? Sakara. Tadanta Sakara becoming Ru, right? Ru alone has come in the form of Visarga. Now when we do Sandhi, that time, what will happen? It's not followed by Kar letter. It is soft consonant. So therefore, one step back mentally. You have to just see what was there in the place of Visarga. It is Ru, Repa.
Yeah.
That Repa, now what will happen? Repa, that is preceded by Ru Repa. It is preceded by Yi, followed by consonant. Therefore, what Sandhi will apply? No Sandhi. There are no rules. Just join. Therefore, Arir Gachati.
Yes.
Arir Gachati. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, Guruhu Gachati.
Guru Gach.
Gurur Gachati. Gurur Brahma. That's why Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu. Why Repa is that? Guruhu plus Brahma Sandhi. Right? Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha. We chant,
Yes.
Why Guruhu? Why Gurur Sandhi? I mean, it's not really Sandhi, it is Repa. It's not even Sandhi. Sandhi means some change should happen. Here there is no change happening. Okay, it's not even Sandhi. You should not say it is a Sandhi also. Okay.
Mm.
I have written as a part of the Sandhi to understand that here
Hmm.
nothing happens.
The Melanam.
It's not, yeah, it's Meranam. It's not really a Sandhi.
Mm.
Because it is included here, I don't think it is Sandhi.
Yes.
Just an understanding.
Mm.
All these are not said because it is understood. But I have said explicitly so that no, there is no confusion.
Yes.
So Guruhu plus Gachati, that room, which has become Repa, at the end of the Padam, are followed by Kar. When we do Sandhi, there is no Avasana, there is no pause, and not followed by Kar letter. Therefore, that Visarga is nothing but, the Ru is nothing but, the Visarga is nothing but Repa. Repa is, that is born of Ru. Ru has come in the place of Sakara. So all these things we know, Sakara becoming Ru, Ru becoming Repa.
Mm.
Now, one step back it is Repa. So therefore, Gurur plus Gachati becomes Gurur Gachati. That's why Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu. So
Guru.
Gachati, remove Gachati and replace it by Brahma. Therefore, what will happen? Guruhu plus Brahma becomes
Guru Brahma.
is Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu. That's why many people when they chant, they say Guru Brahma, Guru. That's wrong actually.
Guru Brahma.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu. Not Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
Yeah, people always say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
That's
Guru
wrong
Brahma.
actually.
Yeah, correct.
Guruhu Brahma, Guruhu Vishnu.
Hmm.
Okay. You can do like that if it is a compound, possible. The compound it is possible. Guruhu Eva Brahma, Guru Brahma. But in the shloka, it is not a compound. Shloka, they are individual words. Okay. Suppose if you want to say Guruhu Eva Brahma, then Guru plus Brahma, Guru Brahma, it can be in a compound, in a samasa it is. But not in this shloka where the words are Eshtapadam, individual words. Okay, not a compound. So Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu only you have to say. Okay. Then understand? All these things we have seen, right? Before.
Yes.
Is there anything new we have seen today? No.
This from 17 we have to do.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. No.
Guruji, I had a doubt. When we are going backwards, say Guruhu plus Brahma, then we start from Ru, then Repa. Then
Which
why do we
Repa, then, Repa, before Repa it was, before
Visarga?
Visarga it was, Ru is nothing but Repa. So
Yes.
before Visarga it is Repa, yes.
Yes. Then why do we stop at Repa? Why don't we go back to Sakara?
Why don't we go back to Sakara? Please note, okay. See, it is a Padam, okay. Guruhu is one, you are joining the Padam, right? You are
Yes.
joining two individual words.
Yes.
You are joining two individual words, joining only. You are not making a compound. Please note the difference between joining and the difference between Sandhi between the words and Sandhi within a compound.
Hmm.
Okay. Now this is Sandhi between
Words.
the words, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Now here it is. As I said, one step back, it is Guru, it is Ru, right?
Hmm.
Ru is nothing but a Repa.
Hmm.
And Repa comes in the place of,
Sakara.
Ru comes in the place of Sakara. Now what is Gurus? Is it not a Padam? Now
Padam.
what will happen to Sakara? Padanta Sakara.
Will become Repa.
It will become a Ru. Ru is nothing but Repa. That you have to do it, right? So two Padams you are joining. That's why I said here, between two Padams there is Sandhi. So it is Guru plus Brahma. How can be Sakara then?
Hmm.
You understand?
Okay.
So what Brahma also? Brahma is another Padam.
Hmm.
Whereas in a compound, what will happen? You see, suppose you are doing a compound, samasa,
Mm.
where we are joining the two words and making into a one word.
Mm.
That the meaning is different. I mean, yeah, in this context, its meaning is same. There is no change in the meaning. Guru is Brahmaji. So here you see, Guru Brahma. I'm doing a compound. Okay. Now you have to tell me. You have to tell with the pratyaya. Guru plus what is the pratyaya? Guru is equal to how the word Guru as Guru comes.
Guru plus Sup. So
Ah,
Sup.
Guru plus Su, right? What is Su? Su is Pratama Vyakti Ekvachana Pratyaya. Similarly, Brahma plus
Plus Su.
So actually it is not Brahma. Huh? What is this? It is Brahman Nakaranta. Okay. Brahman Nakarantaha. That was a Nakarantaha Pullingaha. Brahma Brahmano Brahmanaha. The form is like that. Okay. Like Atman Shabda. Atma Atmano. Anyway, we don't know the Shabda. Nakaranta Shabda we have not seen. Don't worry about it. Just note. Huh? Now we are making a compound. Please note, right? So now what happens here? This writing like this is called in technically Alaukika Vigraha. Don't worry about the name. I'm just telling the name. If you can remember its name, otherwise also it's okay. Alaukika Vigraha. Now the whole thing is a compound. The whole thing is a compound. I put a bracket so to show that now it is one word. The whole thing is a compound and it is a pratipadikam. It's a noun base. Now see, two independent words have joined and become a new pratipadikam. That's samasa. Now within a pratipadikam, the pratyas are there, supratyaya and what are the pratyas? Supratyas are there, you drop it. You have to drop. Therefore, when you drop, you get Guru Brahman. So Guru Brahman is a new pratipadikam. Nakarantaha Pullingaha Guru Brahman Shabda. It becomes one word.
Yeah.
Now when you decline Guru Brahman plus Su, that becomes Guru Brahma. So where is Repa here? It's not there. It's a compound. This is a compound.
Okay.
Like Ramaha plus Ishvaraha. Please do the Sandhi.
So Visarga will be room.
Will be replaced by
Yakara.
Yakara because followed by Ash. Therefore, Rama Ishvaraha. This is Sandhi, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now I do compound. Rama plus Ishvaraha. Here, when you do compound, the two words become one word. Rama plus what is the pratyaya? Su.
Su.
Yeah, first you have to write like that. Rama plus Su. Then Ishvaraha plus
Su.
Su. The whole thing is it's a pratipadikam. The pratipadikam is called samasa. Samasas are first to begin with they are pratipadikam. Then only you decline. So pratipadikam. Within a pratipadikam, the supratyas should be dropped. So when you drop Su, then you will have Rama and Ishvara. Now this is Rama plus Rama, Ishvara is one word. Within a word Sandhi is a must. R plus E will become
Guna Sandhi.
Rameshwara. So now you see Rameshwara. Rameshwara is a compound. And can be declined. Rameshwaraha, like Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Ramashuddhaha, Rameshwaraha, Rameshwaro, Rameshwaraha. Understand?
Okay.
Whereas here it is Rama plus Ishvaraha, not Sandhi. It's not a compound, it's Sandhi. Even though Visarga is gone, but it is individual word only. Rama is in a word and Ishvara is another word. Whereas here, Rameshwara is one word.
Yes, okay.
Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
So your question, why once Sakara? No. Because Sandhi is done between the two words. So it continued to be two independent words.
Okay.
right?
Mm.
Therefore, if the independent word padam, the sakara at the end of the padam will be replaced by ru only, visarga only, repa
Mm.
only. And repa becoming visarga or not depending on what follows. Understand?
Mm.
Okay, fine. We'll stop here. We'll continue next class. Understand all of you, Paruji?
Yes.
Yes,
Clear?
Guruji.
Think about this. Go through the class again.
Yes.
Sandhi. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
Dhanyawada, Guruji.
I will send you this file.
Yes.
This is 18th.
We have to start from 18, all the things that we have done.
Yeah, from 1 to 18, thoroughly understood. 18th one, I will teach you next class, but you can just read this and come.
Okay.
So that like, when I say it'll be easy for you to understand. Just you see, Visarga room, that is room Visarga. Room Visarga means Visarga born of room. Okay. Then preceded by other than Akara and followed by Repa. What will happen to the room Repa? It becomes Lopaha.
Lopa.
When it becomes Lopaha, another thing also happens simultaneously. I mean, another thing happens not simultaneously. Immediately after the after the Visarga becomes Lopaha. So another thing also happens. What is that? The preceding un letter. Un is a, e, u. Not I, kevam, however, not that one. Please note. This un is the short one. A, e, u. The simple vowels. It's except that will become dirgha. Please note this. When
Yes,
preceded by, when what preceded by? That no visarga, right? Preceded by other than a. Why other than a? Because if it is a, then followed by repa, then what will happen? It will be replaced by ukara, right? Yes or no? Room preceded by a, followed by repa. Repa is a ash letter. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Therefore, it will be replaced by ukara.
Upa.
Understand? This is what I told you here. Please see here.
Yes.
When preceded by a, followed by hush letter includes
Repa.
repa.
Yes.
That is why I said in the year, other than a means it will not be ukara, right? Then what will happen to that ru repa? That will become lopaha. When preceded by a vowel other than akara and followed by repa, then that ru repa will become lopaha. Understand?
Yes.
You follow what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
Please see. Understand it clearly. Ru when preceded by vowel other than akara followed by repa.
Yes.
Ru repa will become lopaha. I will write here separately. This is please note. Ru when preceded by h minus other than akara. Okay. Followed by repa. Repa is ash letter. Right? Then please note what will happen as we have seen from the above. Suppose the ru is supposed to be replaced by yakara, right? That will not happen. That will not happen. Not ukara, sir. It is yakara. Supposed to yakara, the adesha supposed to happen in the place of this ru. I mean, this room, the room, when preceded by verbal other than akara, followed by repa, which is nash letter, this room is supposed to be replaced by akara, right? By
Yes.
what? By this rule. Where is akara?
Not plus.
Other than means we have to take like this or e or whatever it is, right? Ikara desha. Other than h minus a. If it is a, what will happen? If it is a and ru, the ru will be replaced by ukara. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. That's why it is not a, it is other than a. It means h minus a. It means a, e, u, anything possible, right? And ru followed by repa, which is an ash letter. Then in that case, what will happen? This ru will become lopaha. Ru will become lopaha, and the an letter, whatever is there before, that becomes
Dirgha.
dirgaha. Anaha dirgaha bhavati. This is what the rule says. Just you read this, you will learn. So 18th one, next class I will explain what it is. Examples you will see. Okay,
Yes.
that's important. That will be little confusing. That's I will clarify. Just read this. Try to understand what it says. I will do it in next class.
Okay.
Next class, you remind me that we have to do this.
Yes.
Okay. This Sunday I will teach you next class. And other Sundays, Jastra, Shutra, you can just go through, refresh.
Yes.
Yes.
And a new Sunday is there at the end, Chatra Sunday. So I thought of teaching it today, but not time not there. Parasavana Sunday also. All this you will see in next class. So I'll stop here. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
Next class will be there. After that, 2 weeks class will not be there.
Oh.
Then we will meet after the 18th.
Guruji, we have to pay for this room because last year, February, March, we paid the money.
What is that? You are not clear. Again?
We have to pay the money for the Zoom.
Let you know. No, time is there. Don't worry. Time is there. It is only in the month of May or June, I think.
Acha. I thought it was in
April or May or June. I don't know. Okay, they will remind me. Okay. So next week I'm there, but after that 2 weeks I'm not there.
Okay, Guruji.
So I'll give homework. You can.
Yes,
do-
Guruji.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.